welcome back. We're fixing to turn it on here. Are you hooked up to your car?
Yeah, we're connected.
Just hit your space bar. See there? Now we're recording. What we done is we connected. We hit the car icon, turn the recorder on, hit the space bar. Now we can see all the data that is recording. As you can see on the screen there, we're data logging as of now. So it's seeing the car. See this bars over here, you want those kind of equal. When they're in the middle, that's the good range. So there it's giving all the information to the computer, and it's data logging. If y'all want a more in-depth explanation, and over here on this bar right here, you want to get with your whoever's doing your tuning and have him download and send you the information that he wants so he can tune your car. We got with Z, who tunes Harriet, and he sent us all the information, and we downloaded that into the computer. So that's what you really want. And this is kind of a little back road area. I'm not going to give you a full 130 mile an hour pull, but we'll kick her down in the passing gear and give you a brief pull here. Like we're going to do like 40 and just kick it down. It'll probably smoke the tires, but we'll give you a brief pull. As you can see, that's exactly what it does.
I got loose in a hurry.
Yep, she broke them loose. There's not a lot of places around that you can just break her loose, because it don't matter what kind of mile per hour. You could do the same at 80 and she's going to just set them on fire. But the point is, we're just showing you what we did to get to the point. Now what you would do, there's a file up top there that you go to that says save file. You go to that icon that says save file, and you click on it and you save your file, whatever you want to put it as, test run or test 1. If I'm at the track, I'll put race 1. I'll put an R1 for race 1, and I'll save that file. And then if it's a full pass or something like that, I can send it into the tuner, and he can look at the data and see if he wants to change something on the tune. We are yet to get a full pass at the drag strip, so he can give me a complete tune at the track. So that's what we're waiting on. Next time at the track, you can go ahead, Justin, hit the bar down at the bottom. I'm not going to save that and send it to him since it's not good data. When you break the tires loose like that, that's an aborted run, so there's no good data that I can send him. All right, guys, love every one of you. Appreciate everybody subscribing. If you like the video and like what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button, like and share, so we can get this thing on up and where I can go live and communicate with you. That's my goal, to be able to share and like and help each other. I tried to get a guy to help me learn how to data log, and he referred me over to a paid, where I had to pay to subscribe to his channel. I'm not going to